Before computers existed. This machine changed civilization forever. Short dramatic pause. The typewriter. In the 1800s, writing everything by hand was painfully slow. Businesses struggled. Communication took forever. Then came a machine that could turn thoughts into organized text, instantly. Every click of a key became a revolution. Suddenly, offices became faster. Journalists wrote quicker. Authors produced entire books. Every laptop, every phone, every keyboard traces back to this invention. Short pause. And most people never think about it. Follow for this type of information.